Right, hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video, and this time on the Magic Roundabout I have his Corgi Toys Buick Regal. Yeah, it's the older Kojak car. Anyway, so as you watch it go round, just say hello to me friends of the channel, welcome back. Any recent friends who have joined, welcome aboard, hope you like his videos. So it's my next one to do for this week. Yeah, so let's get off the magic and onto the bench and have a good look at it. Right, so here we are then. So we've got Corgi Buick Regal. Good reusable parts on this. We've got a chap in that window there. Right, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rivets to deal with. Alright, so let's crack on and get this thing opened up. Right, I tend to do the middle ones first because they're like indented ones, easy to drill out. I'm not too worried about breaking those off, as you'll see later on. What I'm going to do with this broken too. Right, okie dokie, right. That's your base. Yep, okay. Here's your axles. Right, so I'm not going to need a front bumper. So can be reused. The little fella can come out as well, don't want him. Don't need all his mechanism on the back here, so all that can go. Back bumper as well, rear lights can go as well. Right, now then. Right, interior wise, right, it's a bit tricky this is. So normally I have to keep it all in because, oh, I'll give it the glass first. The glass and the dash. Open the doors to get the dashboard out. Yeah, there you go. Let's in a minute. Right, anyway, as I say, in interior, like underneath, as per usual with these, houses the front and rear axles, so you can't really do much with these. So unfortunately no H-frame to go in this because of that. What I will do is though, just cut that back bit off, because we don't need that for anything. There we go. Right, tidy the bench up. Right, now then. Right, front lights. Might better get those out. From the back. Sometimes I have a habit of leaving those in. Let's see if we can. So you can get those out. Yeah, there's a little. You can't really see them now, but there's like where I'll put that. There's little holes there. You can get something in there to push them out from. Let's see what I've got. Let's see what I've got in here. My little boxes of bits. Probably nothing, but you never know. Alright, let's try this. Otherwise I'll be drilling around from the front. Yeah, it looks that way, yeah. Find the holes and just push it in there. No, it ain't budging. Oh well, just make trays of drilling them out, I'm afraid. Only plastic, so I know it's at college, but I've got another choice. What we'll do. Right, so that's front lights out. Now then, the next thing I want to do is, normally I'll get rid of this this front bit here, which is a bit along here. I'll get rid of that, and if I get a marker. Just cut the wings on the side here. Just cut underneath front lights. Try and get an angle. Something like that, roughly. Just see where I marked it. We want to roughly try and cut it. Do it on both sides. Yeah, as I try and remove this bit here best we can, because I don't need that bit. I'll do this off camera, because I've tried it once before on camera with the hacksaw, but it's a bit too fiddly to do. So I'll show you afterwards and then go for the next stage from there. Right, I've cut away the wings, as you can see on both sides here. And I've also removed that front panel as well. Right, you just see that as well. Right, so next stage is the caustic soda. Okie dokie. Right, so is it? So it's reacting to the caustic, so it's working away. Right. I'm going to leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes, let it do the job properly. So next time you see this, it'll be back on the bench, all fully stripped. Okay. Right, casting back from the caustic soda bath, the paint just literally fell off. So nice, quick and easy one to deal with. So next thing you do, just get it all polished up, get rid of some of these marks where caustic soda's been, make it all shiny. I'll show you a little bit with the old polishing wheel. All shiny now. Right, so I'm carry on doing this, then show the end result. The next stage is to get it all prepped up, ready for paint. So I've got the thin plate ready, door plates ready, so I'm gluing them all on now. One side done, do the other side. Don't worry about the colour showing on these, can be painted over anyway. That's that. Right, thin plate on next. Thin plate on there. Right, next way to get it all ready for painting now. So I'm going to mark out the areas I want to paint, just make it easier for myself. And then stick it on a stand, paint it. Okie dokie. Right, okay, it's all ready for painting now. So yep, let's crack on. Yeah, I'm going to do is a red, white and a black. I'm going to do the roof white, the bonnet and the boot black. The black's going to be in between where the masking tape is and on the bottom there. I won't show all of this because I don't be getting boring you to death with painting the whole thing. So I'll show you like the roof and one side of it. I think that's almost done. Right, it's nearly. Right, we'll do the black next. Right, Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Right, okay. Right, I'm going to attempt to do the middle bit now. On one side. I'm just going to go down to where this line is going to be red, it is. There you go. Right, and just down. To that casting line down there. Because the rest of that's going to be red as well. Right, so that's one side done. Because the rest of that's going to be red. And it'll be the same other side. So I'm going to do it off camera now. Get it finished off. And let it dry out. Alright, so I finished painting the casting. I'll just spin it round so you can see all in all its glory. Alright, so I've got to let it dry now. This paint goes on quite thinly, so hopefully it'll dry quickly as well. So I'll give it an hour or so. Come back to it, see what it's like. So I can get to see the rebuild. Okay. So no H-frame for this one because of the interior issues, which I've explained already. Right, so yep, see you for the rebuild then. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to do some side writing on this one now. So I'll do one side because the other side's going to be obviously going to be the same. So I don't want to bore you lot by doing the whole thing. Right. don't know why the picture's all like this, but there you go. Right, that's a number. Right. Right, there you go. I apologise for picture quality there, but you can just about to see that. So it'd be the same, exactly the same the other side. So next time see this, be back on your magic roundabout. See you there. Right, okay, here we are then. There's another one finished. Yeah, so it's the corgi Buick Regal. The old Kojak car. I've done it in the colours of Mick Cotton or Mr. Mayhem. He used to race cars like Austin A60s, Wolseys, Westminsters, 4-litre Vanden Plas, that sort of thing. But because I've not got any of those, so I've done something pretty different, off the beaten track, so to speak. So, yep. No H-frame for this, as I've already explained already. Yeah, so there we go then. Hope you enjoyed this one. And see you all again for the next video. Stay safe, take care, what you're doing. And bye for now. Bye-bye.